Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is a hump day, Wednesday, October 16th. And we typically would have the CPI out today, but due to the government shutdown, those numbers won't be released. But what we do have is two other items here. We'll start off with the Home Builders Index for the month of October. This is an index that kind of gauges the home builders' confidence level, where the economy is going, if they think they're going to be seeing more permits to build more homes or sales and such. So for the month of September, we had a 57 rating on the index, and that index was supposed to increase, so I figured that they're going to have a little bit more confidence, and it actually dropped in October. A lot of it has to do with the fluctuations in the interest rates that creating some volatility in the markets of late. So that's why there's concern as to is this going to continue or not, or if we're going to have a slowdown. The next item is the Fed Beige Book. This is kind of gauges all the different reports that come in through the Fed agencies around the U.S. And basically it stated that that there a lot of areas have shown some slowdown. The growth has tapered off a bit in their areas. So it was basically they're saying modest outlook, but a lot of areas are still showing some slowdown, and they're hoping the government shutdown won't further put us in a hole. And then they're kind of feeling optimistic about the fourth quarter when it comes to Christmas or the holiday seasons and stuff. Drawback here is, I live in the area here where the LA Harbor, largest harbor here in the U.S., and it was not any busier than normal. Typically, they've already would have received the Christmas stuff coming over from China, and it hasn't been too busy. So I draw my conclusions that we won't really have that great of a holiday season in terms of the economy growth mode or not. So that's my personal point, as I can kind of see here when I talk to longshoremen and such. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the headline news. And right now, the stock market's up, which is obviously great news. Actually, the Dow is pushing the 200 level here, and it's all due to this. Basically, the House couldn't come up with something, so Senate came in and drew up a bill. It looks like basically Ted Cruz of Texas said he wasn't going to block it, so there's optimism that it will go through both houses for the president to be signed, hopefully by end of the day, and hopefully it will be in time to be able to meet the deadline, which Treasurer Liu provided to us as of yet tomorrow is the deadline. So nothing like the 11th hour creates some anxiety for everybody. Hopefully it will be in time and they can pay their obligations and everybody will be happy. So let's go ahead and take a look at the bond market, what's going on over there, and see how it's drawing. So right now it's actually doing well. So what happened was we had obviously money coming out of both the bond market and stock market, and now the money's coming back in. So they're feeling a little bit more reassured. The investors are feeling a little bit more reassured as in terms from the government shutdown. So that might give us a little bit more improvement in both markets here as of right now. So we're up about 50 basis points after the Fed Beige Book came out, also talking about the government. So these are all pretty good news. It's bringing us testing the new ceiling that's been created. We're up at the 101.31. So obviously we're having an improvement in the interest rates today. All right, so hopefully we'll get back to the level we just had that we're pushing the 102 level. Hopefully we can get back up to there. My feeling is we still will reach the 103, at least pretty close to that level at some point, but it may take a little bit of time to get there. All right, folks. Again, enjoy the new interest rates, and hopefully we'll get this shutdown resolved. Everybody, the government employees, get back to work and try to get some normalcy in our lives, and move forward. You guys have a wonderful day. I will look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow, and hopefully we'll have great news tomorrow. Bye bye.